Hi, I'm James from Mo-Sys, here with a hack of the week. And this week's hack is on cable management on our remote heads. So we have an L20 here, and it has a through hole in the middle there for a switch to pass our bus cable. But not just the bus cable, also SDI cables or anything you'd like to plug into your camera. So we go through the pan like so, and then the tilt 2 like that. And then you can spin your camera freely, both pan and tilt, without your cables getting twisted. So there we have it, our hack of the week.